Okay, when you have horizontal lines through the shingle membrane like this, that's a sign of wind damage. So there's been wind damage on this west slope, and then when you see these shingles and they're glittering around the edges, okay, that's the granules are missing from it. That's the fiberglass mat that's exposed. That shows you, that tells us that this roof is no spring chicken. The siding for the house is not supposed to be, it's not, is that it? Siding is not supposed to be in contact with the roof covering. This is what's known as a dead valley. So water, has a tendency to collect. That's why you see the rust there. It's prone to leakage. And this is an actual code violation, but right across the top here, that's a ridge vent. And then you have the passive wind turbine up there. That's a short circuit, so that you actually got a dead pocket of air up there. And also that violates the manufacturer's installation instructions. And it's a code violation. So trees are touching the roof over here, basic no-no.